Hey, it's JP. We're atop Mount Lemmon at the Summit Trailheads, and it's a hazy day, but it's a great day for a hike. Today, I'm back at the Summit Trailheads atop Mount Lemmon in the Santa Catalina Mountains. My planned point-to-point hike will see some impressive changes in elevation and should be an interesting challenge. I'll point out some scenic spots along the way. So I'm on the same bunch of trails that I was on last week, only this time I'm going to work my way down the ridge down to the Wilderness of Rocks trails, which we checked out a couple weeks ago. Monsoon season has kicked into high gear here in Arizona, and it's been kind of fun. I've been getting lots of lightning shots and stuff, but I want to get in and get out before the rains start this afternoon. It's a beautiful day, and I think this is going to be a really good hike. So I'm in some pretty close quarters here, so that's why I'm like really close to the camera. As you can see, it's a pretty steep drop off right behind me, and I don't want to get too far back because I don't want the whole helicopter airlifting thing going on. But we're working our way down the Lemmon Rock Lookout Trail, and we're working our way from the Mount Lemmon Trail down to the Wilderness of Rocks Trail. If you want to see previous hikes where I was on both of those trails, I'll put some links down in the description for you so you can follow along. The trail can be steep in some places, so if you have hiking poles or something like that, I highly recommend it. So we're at 7,310 feet above sea level, and as far as the Lemmon Rock Lookout Trail, I would say it's a pretty awesome trail when it comes to views and rock formations and change in landscape and all that stuff. I would say it's a very challenging trail no matter what direction you go in. So we're at the bottom of the Lemmon Rock Lookout Trail, and as I mentioned, it's quite a challenging trail, but very beautiful. I do recommend it if you feel you have what it takes to get down 2,000 feet. So we're at the Wilderness of Rocks Trail now. That way goes to Sabino Canyon, this way goes back towards Summer Haven, and I've done parts of this trail before, so it's going to be a familiar hike, climbing back up a little bit, but not 1,800 feet. I might grab the Mint Springs Trail once I get to the big junction. We'll have to take a look and see what my mood is once I get up there.
If you're enjoying today's video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you really like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Be sure to get notifications so that you can see all the great stuff coming up on my channel. I'm sure you've noticed a lot of the burned out areas I've hiked through today. It's guys or girls like these that encourage me. Alright, I'd like to thank you for following along on the hike today. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button. Look how glowy my hands are. That's kind of fun. Stats are going to go right here. And if you haven't taken a look yet, right up here is a link to my previous video, which was a flashback to my student pilot days. Thanks for following along. Have a great day. See ya.